Hello and welcome to our poster presentation, A Tale of Three Cities, a worldly approach to innovative urban water management strategies. This poster was prepared for the NCSE conference by Keeva Fitzpatrick, Kate Greer, and Erin Moffatt, students of the Environmental Management program at Sir Sandford Fleming College. Audio clips will be provided on each slide. Severe storms, prolonged droughts, and increasingly unpredictable weather patterns are becoming the new normal in rural and urban landscapes across the globe. These events put a significant strain on the abilities of urban infrastructure to consistently supply fresh water to meet the population's needs. In the City of Toronto, Canada's largest urban centre, increased storm activity in the coming years is posing specific challenges to the City of Toronto's stormwater management plan. Identified issues include aging infrastructure, an increase in pace and magnitude of infrastructure development in the downtown core, and spatial constraints related to the management of stormwater. Our objective is to examine areas of improvement to Toronto's water management strategy and provide suggestions based on innovative approaches from three of the world's leading urban centers in water management: Singapore, Melbourne, and Copenhagen. We conducted a literature review of water management strategies in urban centers around the world and the issues facing these areas. From this review, we identified stormwater management as a key issue in many urban centers. Further research of current literature highlighted three cities that have implemented innovative strategies to manage stormwater: Copenhagen, Melbourne, and Singapore. We reviewed the stormwater management strategies from Copenhagen, Singapore, and Melbourne in relation to the City of Toronto's planning framework to assess their applicability in the context of Toronto. To present our findings, we highlighted four specific limitations within the City of Toronto's water management plan and found two potential solutions for each limitation in our research. The first limitation is the disconnect in urban planning and water management within the City of Toronto, as Toronto utilizes regulations to include green infrastructure, but their effectiveness and level of development needs improvement. In the City of Melbourne, water-sensitive urban design planning regulations require any new developments, including extensions and singular buildings, to demonstrate urban stormwater best practice management guidelines before implementation. Copenhagen has integrated urban planning strategies to combine stormwater infrastructure and urban spaces in blue-green spaces to store and hold water while increasing livability. These spaces include innovative bike lanes and fountains. The second limitation is the current status of stormwater ponds. The City of Toronto uses both wet and dry ponds as part of their stormwater management. However, these stormwater ponds lack accessibility and opportunity for use by the community. Through Singapore's Active Beautiful Clean Waters program, their reservoirs and waterways have been designed to promote recreational activity and places of beauty for citizens to enjoy and spread awareness about stormwater management. Copenhagen has utilized urban planning to make stormwater ponds a key focal part of leisure and activity space. This maximizes the city space while enhancing quality of life and efficiency in stormwater management. The third limitation is the high domestic water use currently being used by the City of Toronto. This indicates excessive water usage in households. In Melbourne, permanent regulations to reduce water consumption were implemented in 2012 with an emphasis on the Target 155 program. Further, the Victorian government has and continues to replace water-inefficient appliances across Melbourne. Furthermore, the Community Rebate Program provides financial assistance for those unable to afford water-efficient appliances. The final identified limitation is the lack of recycling water for non-potable usages. The reuse of water in Toronto is difficult as regulations require water consumption estimates to exceed a certain amount before the development can use rainwater, thus limiting water efficiency within the city. Singapore's new water system reuses wastewater before it is sent on to water treatment plants. In Melbourne, 30% of households have installed rainwater tanks in response to government incentives and local attitudes towards reducing water usage and to meet government restrictions on water consumption. Upon identifying limitations within the City of Toronto Water Management Plan, we suggest a multi-tiered approach where solutions are proposed for each scale of water management. First, the City of Toronto could incorporate their citizens' individual roles into their management plans. This may include incorporating water limit initiatives for households and buildings. They may also provide a program with rebates for purchasing water-efficient appliances. Secondly, they could incorporate a community alliance within their water management plan. This includes more effectively using stormwater ponds to act as community and green spaces, which increases space for recreation. By incorporating an educational aspect to their stormwater ponds, we hope to generate increased usership and improve stewardship at the community level. Finally, the City of Toronto could create a more efficient systems approach by reusing water to reduce processing and storage rates. This can be implemented by creating development guidelines to improve water management within new developments. This can be upheld by innovative ideas and policy regulations. Assessing and applying Melbourne, Singapore, and Copenhagen strategies at an individual, community, and systems level allows for an integrated approach to the City of Toronto's stormwater management plan. This will help to maximize the efficiency of the City of Toronto's current stormwater management plan. Thank you for viewing and listening to our presentation. Thank you, Barb Elliott and Michael Fraser, for your guidance and support throughout this project. A special thank you is given to the NSCE board for allowing us the opportunity to present this poster.